our prayers. Okay, so everybody please stand up. Put yourself on mute first of all of you. Put yourself on mute, all the kids. Now stand up for the prayers and fold your hands, okay? Okay, say with me, good morning, God. This is your day. I am your child. Show me the way. Okay, now everybody rub your arms, rub your palms. Fast, 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 fast. Very nice, very good. Now put it on your eyes and open your eyes. Good job. Now clap your hands loudly. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now let's do jogging. थोड़ी सी jogging करो. Do jogging, jogging. Very good. Very good. Do some jogging, all of you. Yes, that's the way. Very nice. Very good, Nisa. Very good, Sanskriti. Very good, Shreyas. Very good, Harshti. Very good, Aditi. Very good, Soumya. Very good, Pramiti. Very good, Navya. Very good, Arnav. Very good. थोड़ी देर तक करो. Okay, enough, 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 enough. Okay, now everybody, just raise your hands and bend towards your left side. Now आपको पता करना आपकी left side कौन सी है. आप left side कौन सी होती है? जिस hand से आप writing नहीं करते हो. Left side is on your left hand with which you don't write. You don't write. Okay, so tilt towards that side. Yes, now Aditi is doing it right. Very good, Aditi. Now straight tilt towards your right hand. Now what is right side? The hand with which you hold your pencil and do the writing. That is your right hand side. Okay, so tilt towards your right hand side. जिस hand में pencil पकड़ते हो ना वो right side होता है. उधर tilt हो ऐसे. Yes. Now again left hand side. Now straight and then right hand side. Straight, left hand side. Very good. Straight, right hand side. Very good. Okay, now shake your hands. Fast, 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 fast. Very nice. Okay, now put it on your waist and rotate. One, rotate your waist. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, now I hope you can see it better. Now rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, now everybody tap your forehead. Touch your forehead and show me where is your forehead. Where is your nose? Touch your chin. Okay, now cheeks. Okay, your shoulders. Touch your shoulders. Your hands. Now your tummy. Touch your tummy. Your legs. Touch your knees. And now touch your feet. Everybody touch your feet. Okay. Very good. Now stand straight and take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, everyone. ऐसे तेज से सांस अंदर खींचो. हर्षदीप सीधे खड़े हो. Take a deep breath. Okay. Now everyone sit down and have a glass of water. चलो सब बैठ जाओ और थोड़ा सा पानी पी लो. Please sit down and have a glass of water. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, kids. Now, kids, do you remember what we were doing on Friday? क्या आप लोगों को याद है हमने Friday को क्या किया था? We did which family words? We did app family words, है ना? हमने app family के words किए थे. So let us complete that chapter today. We'll complete that chapter today, and tomorrow I will tell you what you have to do for tomorrow. Okay? Now कल के लिए आप लोगों को क्या करना है? कल के लिए आपको हिंदी, we'll do हिंदी writing tomorrow. So everybody has to keep your 2-lined book. आपकी जो लाइन वाली बुक है ना, सिंगल लाइन वाली, वो कल रेडी रखनी है सबको. Tomorrow you have to keep the single line book ready tomorrow. Okay, yes, you want to show me something, Pramiti? Please bring it nearer to the screen. Very good, Pramiti. Very good. Keep it up, beta. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Sanskriti. Very nice, beta. You're welcome, beta. You're welcome, Pramiti.
Welcome, ma'am.
You're welcome, Sanskriti. Very nice. Now, kids, we'll continue from where we left on Friday. Now, Friday को जो हमने किया था, we'll do a quick revision of what we did on Friday. जल्दी जल्दी revise करेंगे जो हमने Friday को पढ़ा था. Okay, fine. So, Friday को we had learned three words which are from app family. Okay, so let us revise it as fast as we can, because then we'll move on to the two new words.
It's an old one.
So this is what we did, app family. Yes, हमने AP app किया था ना, app family word जिनके end में app आता है, AP app. So first word कौन सा किया था हमने? I'll write it down and you will read it for me. Now, Nisa, you tell me which word is this? What have I written here on the whiteboard? Yes, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है निशा, थोड़ा तेज बोलो माइक के पास. Very good, Nisa. Go, app, gap. See, ये तो app है. This is app. Okay, and go. Go, app, gap. What did we do? Go, app, gap. Okay, now Sanskriti, you tell me the next word. Read this word for me.
No.
Yes. Very good, Sanskriti. No. It is app. App. No. App. Nap. Okay. Very good that you're saying the sounds. आपने इतना late join किया फिर भी आप sounds आप बोल रहे हो. That's a very good thing. No. App. Nap. Okay.
Nap.
Very good. Now, what's a nap? Nap means sleep. Okay. Now, let me write one more word which we did.
तो छोटी सी नींद आती है हमें.
Now the next kid. Okay, who's going to answer this? Navya, will you tell me? Navya, you were not there on Friday, Navya, right? Just see if you can read it, okay? Otherwise, that's fine. Because you were not there on Friday. Friday we did this word. This one. Very good, Navya. Excellent. Very nice. Lo. And then this is AP is app. Lo, app, lap. Okay, what is AP read as? It is read as app. Lo, app, lap. AP को क्या read करते हैं हम? AP होता है app. App. So lo, app, lap. Very good, Navya. Very good. So these were 3 words that we did on Friday. We are going to do the next word now. What is the next word? I will explain it to you. First, let me write it down on the whiteboard, then I'll explain it to you. Now see, everybody, please see carefully that I have written this word over here. What I have written, this is small c. क्या लिखा है मैंने? Small c. What is the sound of C? Arshishman, what is the sound of C? Yes, Arshishman? K. Very good. The sound of C is K. K. Okay. Now, plus हमने क्या जोड़ा इसमें, क्या मिलाया हमने? ऐप फैमिली जो है वो इसमें ऐड करी है. K plus app. बनेगा K app. What is K app? Cap. K app cap. Cap. Okay. K app cap. क्या बनेगा? Everybody please look at the board. K app cap. And say with K app cap. It comes cap. Okay. K app cap. Unmute the screen. Go, Arshdeep. Very nice, Arshdeep. Very good. Soumya, please read it. आप म्यूट पे हो सौम्या, म्यूट हटाओ पहले. Very nice. What is it, Pramiti? Can you read it? Very nice, Pramiti. Excellent. Very good. So, is everybody understanding this now? How do we do the reading? First of all, this AP. It's going to be common in all the words. ये सब words में आएगा. जो भी app family के words है, सब में ये AP आएगा. तो वो तो आपको सब में same मिलेगा. सब में same होगा AP. बस हम क्या change करेंगे? खाली ये first letter change करेंगे. We'll only change the first letter. And we have to remember the sound of this letter. Read all the words that fall in app family. Okay. And we are doing only 3-letter words. Okay. So, first letter start writing, then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so what you have to do, सबको मालूम है क्या करना? Take a fresh page, write date on top. What is the date, everybody? Soumya, today you not told me the date. Yes? Yes, 1/4/14. That is the date today, okay? Everybody please write down on the top 1/4/14. Okay, and then write down 09. Which month is this? It is September. For September, we always write 09. Okay, and then write down 20. 20. Okay, very good, beta. Very good, Aditi. Okay, everybody's written till here. Then write down CW on top. And आपको फिर से वैसे ही लिखना है जैसे हमने उस दिन लिखा था. App family, mama से help ले सकते हो. I'll just write it down and show you. Then you can tell mama to write it for you. Or daddy, whoever is sitting with you. In the corner. Yes, beta? आपको आता है? Very nice. तो आपको आता है तो आप लिख सकते हो. Okay, if you know how to write, you can write it. Otherwise, बोलो मम्मा आपको write करके देगी corner में. Okay, मम्मा आपके लिए लिख कर दे सकती है आपको. Please tell her to write it for you, your mother or your father, whoever is sitting with you. Okay, so everybody is written till here. Show me a thumbs up. Okay, no problem. Take your time. That's okay. Take your time. Okay, good, beta. Wait, let others also finish. Okay, good, very good.
One ma'am.
Okay, very nice, Aditi. Very good, Ashish man, yes. Okay, Soumya. Okay, Arnav, fine. तो सब लोगों ने कर लिया यहाँ तक?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now we'll start writing the words. जैसे हमने last time किया था, we'll divide the page into 3 parts. So हम लोग को scale से अभी line खींचना पड़ेगा. I will draw the lines and show you. After that you draw. पहले मुझे draw करने दो. And आपकी मम्मा अगर साथ बैठी तो आप you can ask her to hold the ruler for you and you can draw the line. Okay?
जहाँ से लिखा रहेगा, जहाँ डब्ल्यू लिखा रहेगा, उस चीज में इसलिए ऐसे खींच रहा हूँ।
Just give me 1 minute. I'll draw the lines and show it to you how you sketch. Okay, so keep on hold for a few seconds. I'll just write it and draw it and show you. Essay like this. Divide the page into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. You have to draw 2 lines. Okay. When you're done with this, just show me a thumbs up. Okay, good, Pramiti. Very good, Arnav. Very good, Ashishman. Very good. Okay, खुद से try करो line खींचने के लिए. Try on your own. Me भी थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी line बनेगी. कोई बात नहीं. Even if it's not very straight and not very good, Aditi. And Shreyas, have you done beta? Okay, good. Rest everybody is done. Is anybody left? Okay. Navya is making. It's okay, Navya. Draw. Okay, we'll just wait for everybody to finish, then we'll start. Very good, Navya. Very nice. And you have drawn it on your own, so it's a very good thing. Okay, I always encourage that you try to do things on your own as much as you can. Okay. Now let us. अरे वाह हर्षदीप, आपने बहुत अच्छी लाइंस ड्रॉ की. वेरी नाइस बेटा, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. Okay, kids. Now let us write a first word of the day. What word did we learn just now? We learned cap, right? So everybody please write down small c. Please write down small c like this. If you're writing in 4-lined books, then be careful that you have to write in the you have to write between these blue lines. Okay, You have to write the word between these blue lines. Small c. Yes, beta, done. Very good. Very good, Sanskriti. Very nice. Okay, after writing small c, please write down small a. Now, one thing you have to remember, I've observed that some kids are writing the letters very far from each other. You have to write them close. तो पास पास लिखना है because it's one word. ये एक ही word है. इसमें जो letters पास पास आएंगे. You have to write these letters close to each other. Okay, not far from each other. So they should look like one word. See how I have written, all the words are close to each other, right? Later on, you will learn how to join these words and write. So write all the words close to each other. Don't write them far from each other, okay?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta, very nice, good. So everyone please write down cap.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Have you done, Siddesh?
Yes.
Okay, good, Siddesh. Aditi, you've completed and Soumya has also completed?
What? Yes, ma'am.
You've completed, Aditi?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Soumya has also completed. Very nice. Okay. So everybody is written and Sarvesh, have you completed? आपने किया? Okay, very nice. Very good, Shreyas. Very good.
Done, teacher.
Okay, very nice, beta. Now we'll move on to the next word. तो उसको पहले हम white board पे लिख के सीखेंगे and then we'll write it. Okay, so पहले meaning बताओ सबको. Cap का मतलब तो सबको पता है. Everybody knows what's a cap. Everybody knows what is a cap, right? Cap क्या होता है? सबको मालूम है ना? देखो.
Yes, ma'am.
Somewhat like this. ऐसा होता है ना cap थोड़ा थोड़ा. Like this. जब peak cap पहनते हो, you wear this peak cap, right? जब summers होते हैं, sun से बचने के लिए, that is a cap, okay? Which you wear when you want to save yourself from the sun, from the direct light of sun, right? Now let us, yes, you want to say something? Who is that? Soumya, is that you? Who's calling me? Who's calling me? Okay. So let us continue with the next word. Which is the next word? It's, let me write it down and explain. Now I'll draw the picture also. Just give me 1 minute. Huh? Now see, what is this that I've drawn here? See the picture and read it also. What is this? Very good. Yes. So how do we read it? What is this? T. What is the sound of T? What is the sound of T? T. Very good. The sound of T is T. Please don't disturb me when I'm saying something. Whoever is disturbing in while I'm speaking, please mute yourself. When I finish talking, then say whatever you want to say, okay? Now see, this is, what letter is this? This is T. What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of T? T. Say with me, everybody knows that, right? T. T. And what is this? What is this? Apple. App. T. Yes. T. App. What is T. App? T. App. Tap.
Tap.
Very good.
Tap.
Tap. Everybody say with me. Tap. 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 Okay, now देखो मैंने picture बनाया, so you can recognize with the picture also. Okay, tap. Now let me see who is not read before. We'll read now. Arnav, can you read this for me, please? Arnav, please unmute and read this. What have I written, Arnav? What have I written, Arnav? Very good. Very nice, Arnav. Tap. Very good. Now, who's going to read it? Siddesh. Siddesh, please read this for me. What have I written? 1 minute. 1 minute. Very good, Siddesh. Very good. Please mute yourself. Yes, Aditi, you want to say something? Yes. Yes, Aditi, say.
When we do rhyme,
Rhyme. Okay, we'll do it. First, we'll do the writing. After that, we'll do it in the end. Okay, Aditi, fine?
okay, ma'am.
Oh, now Aditi, can you read this for me? What have I written over here? And what is this? Tap. Dekho, I've drawn the picture also. See, I've drawn the picture also of a tap. Okay. Tap. Say with me. Tap. Very good. Okay, Soumya, please read it. Very good. Now, who is not read? किसने reading नहीं किया बिल्कुल भी? Everybody once, at least once, right? Okay. Yes, Sanskriti, read it. You told me the answer, right? Yes. Very good, Sanskriti. Very nice. Excellent, beta. Very good. Okay. So, we've learned a new word in app family. That new word is tap. Okay. Let us write it in a notebook. Everybody be ready with your pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
So, we write on the top here. See, write T, small t.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, and remember that it has to end over your small t. Don't write it below the blue line. It has to end over here. Okay, be careful when you write your alphabets. They should not go below the lines. You have to write them inside the lines. Okay, T, T, app, tap. T-A-P, tap. Yes, Sanskriti. Bring it closer to the camera. Okay, very nice, beta. Very good. Very good. Everybody, please write. Okay, and when you are done, just show me a thumbs up like this. Siddesh, have you written? Okay, Soumya, very nice. Please show your work. Didi, it on the camera. Show it to me.
Oi, mommy.
Show it to me.
Teacher done.
Very nice. Very nice, Shreyas. Sarvesh, please show me what you've done. Can I see your work?
Dabna.
Okay, very good. Very nice. Okay, now try to write. अब आप बड़ी क्लास में आ गए हो, so letters को एक दूसरे के पास पास लिखो. दूर दूर गैप डाल के लिखोगे तो वो एक वर्ड नहीं लगेगा. It will look like different words. So try to write the letters जो एक ही word.
हमें डॉक्टर
Try to write the letter one word close to each other. See how I have
मेरा वाला
close to each other, right? When you grow up, you will learn how to join them. Okay. Now everybody is written tap. Is anybody?
Yes.
Okay, Arnav, लिख लिया? Navya, have you written? Okay, Navya, good. Ashushman, have you written? Okay, Pramiti, you've written? Okay, good. Now kids, take a break for 1 minute, drink water or stretch yourself. Stand up and stretch yourself for 1 minute, take a break. Just for 1 minute. Just stretch your body. I'm coming back, okay?
Yes.
Okay, we have done 3 words. How many words have we done?
3.
How many words? 3 words. Okay, sorry, 2 words. What are those 2 words which you've done till now? First one was cap, right? Cap. Let me draw the cap if I can manage to. Okay, cap, which you wear on your
cap.
and then tap. Let me draw it for you. Just give me 1 minute.
Draw करती teacher.
Okay, the second one that we did was tap. Cap, tap. Okay. Read with me. Everybody has to say at least once. Cap.
Cap.
Tap. Very good. So if I ask you, please tell me app family words. You be able to remember these words? Cap, tap, and what else did we do on Friday? We did gap, lap, and nap. Okay. So I'm writing these words together. Gap, gap, love, app, lap, and very good. No, app, nap. And what did we learn today? We learned app, tap. App, tap. See, words that we learned. These are all app family words. Just देखो, ध्यान से देखो. सबके end में app आता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So they are all app family words. Now, if I ask you, please tell me app family words. Will you be able to remember these words? Okay. Yes. Okay, very nice. Now let us do the last word of the day. Okay. Now, that word is
Now.
yes. Good.
Now,
Now, Primiti, unmute and tell me what have I written. Can you join these two and form a word? Let Primiti answer then I'll come to you, Sanskriti. Okay?
Oh,
Very nice, Pramiti. Excellent. Now, Sanskriti, you tell me.
Map.
Very good. Excellent. Good job, both of you. Very good. Ma, app, map. Or like Sanskriti said, you can break it also. Ma, app, map. Okay, very good, both of you. So how do we write it? We write it, we join these and write it. Okay, we join all and becomes word, map. So what is map? Map is like a map of India where you can see all the places, all the yes, Sanskriti?
Ma'am, can I explain you?
Explain, yes, you can go ahead and explain.
Go play. What? मैम लोकेशन बोलते हैं कहीं जा सकते हैं
Very good. Yes, Sanskriti, you are right. You can use a map to refer to a place. Okay, आपको कोई जगह ढूंढनी है, कोई भी जगह नई जगह पे गए and you are lost and you want to know where you are. You can refer to a map. Okay, and it shows you all the places. It shows you all the cities, all the countries. It's called a map. Now let me see. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just draw a rough map. मैं कोई fair map नहीं बनाऊंगी. I just show it to you, the picture. Share, just see on the screen, okay? Everybody, please see my screen. Can you see my screen? Okay. Now see, this is a map. This is a map. It's a map of India, okay? This is a map of India. So did you all see it? This is called a map. ये India का map है, okay? तो आप लोगों को समझ आया map क्या होता है? Did you all understand what's a map?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Okay, I'm coming back to you. Okay, so ये map है, just drawn a rough map. It's not a fair one. ये मैंने खाली roughly बनाया है. Okay, so ऐसा कुछ मैप होएगा इंडिया का. इट में सब कंट्रीज होंगी. यू कैन सी ऑल द कंट्रीज, ऑल द सिटीज, एवरीथिंग इन अ मैप. सो एवरी कंट्री विल हैव अ डिफरेंट मैप. एवरी कंट्री विल हैव अ डिफरेंट मैप. ओके, सब कंट्रीज के मैप डिफरेंट होंगे. दिस इज इंडियाज मैप. ओके, so but you should know, main thing is you should know what is this, how to read it, and if I give you a picture you should be able to recognize the picture and tell me what is that picture showing. The picture which I drew just now, it is for a map. Okay, India's map. So did you understand all the words? Okay, kids, I'm sorry the call got disconnected. Now, did you understand? Let us write down all the app family words together now. First, write it in your notebook, then we'll revise it on the whiteboard once, okay? Everybody, please take your books. Take your notebooks. You've written till here, right? यहाँ तक लिखा है सबने? You've written till here. Okay, now let us write map. Everyone, please write down small m. Small m. Then write down small a. And then small p. Okay. Ma, app, map. Okay. Ma, app, map. When you are writing it, say it also from your mouth. Keep on saying the word. Keep on saying the sounds. Ma, app, map. Ma, app, map. Okay. Now, if you've written it, just you can show it to me on the screen. Those who are writing it, please continue writing. Take your time, okay? Don't hurry. जल्दी जल्दी नहीं लिखना, आराम आराम से लिखो. जिसने लिख लिया वो स्क्रीन पे लगा के दिखा दो. Very good, Sarvesh. Very good, Harshti. Have you done it, Nisa? Soumya, very good, Soumya. Very good, Navya.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Arshishman. Very nice. Very good, Arnav. Navya, आपने कर लिया? Just show me, Navya. Very nice. Very good, Navya. Okay, Sanskriti and Shreyas, have you done?
Already done.
Okay.
Already done.
Siddesh is done? Okay, very nice, all of you. Now, kids, this would be a homework that you have to practice these words. Okay, आपके पास, if you have the book, listen carefully. All the kids who have the book, please do it in the notebook. Plus, you have to do all the words in the book. Okay, we will give you time till tomorrow. Till tomorrow, you can submit by night. Okay, this plus the book. And those who do not have the book, just finish it over here. Just complete it over here. Okay. And Sanskriti's mom, you had asked about the ID, password, and book. For that, you'll have to contact your school's admin department.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Respective schools department, just get in touch with them, and you can have a word with them and ask them why the books is not available till now.
Only two books है अभी हमें मिली है.
Okay, so you can get in touch with them, and they will be able to answer you. Because from our side, the books are available.
Only, ma'am, two books just giving me.
Given to you. Okay, ma'am. So you can just get in touch with them. They'll be able to answer why rest of the books have not been made available to you.
Ma'am, two left book, she's saying end of September.
Okay, okay, ma'am. So हमारी side से the books are ready. The books are ready from our side. So whenever we will be intimated, we can make the books available to the school.
But ma'am, email password is not given me.
Yeah, so they'll be only able to provide that once. I think whatever the procedure is, they'll be able to explain it to you.
Okay, ma'am. Fine.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
So, understood everybody? Those who do not have books, please do it in the notebook. Those who have a book, do it in the notebook as well as the book. दोनों finish करना and कल तक finish कर लेना. There is no hurry. आज खाली ये वाला work कर लो. Tomorrow you can show me the work done in the book. Okay, everybody understood? You had 2 days in hand. This and the book. Okay? So any doubt, anyone? Okay. So let us do the rhyme, Aditi. We are doing the rhyme finally. Okay. Chalo. Now today I am going to ask and see who remembers the rhyme. Okay. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I say first?
Yeah, beta. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute, Aditi.
Okay, ma'am. Hey, what the now?
Okay. Yes, Aditi. Please say the rhyme. And everybody has to listen when she's saying. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक राइम बोल रहे तो बाकी सब रेस्ट करेंगे. All have to listen and practice with her. Okay? Yes, Aditi. Please say the rhyme.
Yeah. Five little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. Only four the ducks came back.
Have to show with one hand, Aditi, one hand. Because if you show both the hands, it becomes full. Say, show one hand, okay? Only 4 little ducks came back.
Came back.
Very nice. Very good.
The duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only three little ducks came back.
Very good.
The duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only none of the five little came
Very
back.
good. Then, sad mother duck went out one day, then far away. Sad mother duck said quack, quack, quack. And all of the 5 little ducks came back. Very nice. Excellent, Aditi. Very good, beta. Well practiced. Very nice. Good job. Everybody, please clap for Aditi. She has recited the poem very nicely. Good job, beta. Good job. Okay, Aditi, put yourself on mute. Now, who wants to say the rhyme? You can raise your hand. Just raise your hand. I'll ask you to say the rhyme. Whoever has practiced it. Okay, so there are a lot of kids. Very nice. We'll start with Sanskriti. After that, Shreyas and then Siddesh. Okay? Chalo Sanskriti और बाकियों को भी पूछूंगी. Don't worry. I'll ask everybody. Harshdeep also raised his hand, so I'll ask you also. Okay? Yes, Sanskriti, please start.
Down one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck sat quack, quack, quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck sat quack, quack, quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck sat quack, quack, quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck sat quack, quack, quack. But only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck sat quack, quack, quack. None of the 5 little ducks came back. duck.
Mother.
Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack.
Sad mother duck went out one day.
Went out one day over the hills and far away.
Sad mother duck said quack, quack, quack.
All
All of the 5 little ducks came back.
Very nice. Very good, Sanskriti. Excellent. Very good, beta. Very nice. And you've learned the actions also. Even Aditi, both of you. Clap with you also, everyone. Please clap for Sanskriti. Very good. Okay, now Shreyas, you tell me. Chalo, tell me the rhyme, Shreyas.
Hi, little duck, where over the hill far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only come 4 little ducks in bag. 4 little ducks, why haven't they over the hill far away? Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks in bag. 3 little ducks, where haven't they over the hill far away? Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only come for,
Too little. Only too little.
come back.
Very good.
Where haven't they over the hill far away? Mommy duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks in
Only one little duck came back.
bag. 4 little ducks, where haven't they over the hill far away? Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only
None of 5 little ducks came back. बोलो, none of the 5 little ducks came back. कोई भी वापस नहीं आई. Yes, very good, Shreyas. Then after that, in the end, sad mother duck. बोलो, sad mother duck went out one day over the hills and far away. बोलो, very good. Sad mother duck said quack, quack, quack. And all of the 5 little ducks came back. All of the 5 little ducks came back.
little duck, come back.
Very good, Shreyas. Very nice, beta. Very good. Everybody, please clap for Shreyas also. Very good, Shreyas. Please clap for him. Good. Now, Siddesh, your turn. Shreyas, please put yourself on mute. Siddesh, yes, say the rhyme. Do with actions. Everybody has to do with actions. Okay, chalo.
5 little ducks said one open day over the river far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks in back. 4 little ducks in one open day over the river far away. Mother duck says, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks in back. 3 little ducks, one open day over the river far away. Mother duck says, quack, 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 but only
2
2 little ducks in back. 2 little ducks in one open day over the river far away. Mother duck says, quack, 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 but only 1 little ducks in back. 1 little ducks, one open day over the river far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only no little ducks in
5 little ducks came back.
Sad mother ducks in one open day over the river far away. Sad little
Sad
ducks,
mother duck said quack, quack, quack.
little come back.
Very good, Siddesh. Very nice. Good job, beta. Very good. Please sit down, Siddesh. Everybody, please clap for Siddesh. Very nice. Everybody has to clap for Siddesh. Very good. Now, who wants to say? Harshdeep wanted to say, right? Harshdeep, please say the rhyme. Where is Harshdeep gone? Harshdeep? Can't see you. I think he's got disconnected. Okay, who else wants to say the? Yes, there he is. Okay, Harshdeep, bolo rhyme, bolo.
Why little duck out one day over the hill far away. Mother duck say, quack, quack, quack. Well, only 4 little ducks in back. 4 little ducks out one day over the hill far away. Mother duck say, quack, quack, quack. Only 3 little ducks in back. 3 little ducks out one day over the hill far away. Mother duck say, quack, quack, quack. Only 2 little ducks in back. 2 little ducks out one day over the hill far away. Mother duck say, quack, quack, quack. Only 1 little ducks in back. 1 little duck out one day over the hill far away. Mother duck say, quack, quack, quack. Oh, none of the
5 little
ducks in back.
Came back.
Sad mother duck
Went out one day.
over the hill far away.
Sad mother duck said, quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Only
And
4 little ducks in back.
Ducks came back. Very good, Harshdeep. Very nice. Good job. Keep it up, beta. Very good. Everybody clap for Harshdeep also. Very nice. Now, who wants to say the rhyme? You're welcome, Harshdeep. Please mute yourself now. Who wants to say the rhyme now? Please raise your hand. जिसको rhyme बोलना है अपना hand raise करो. Arnav wants to say. Okay, Arnav. चलो, let's say. Please unmute yourself, Arnav. Unmute करो. Mute है आपका बेटा. Please remove the mute first. I can't hear you. Arnav, mute हटाओ. Arnav, मामा से बोलो mute हटाने के लिए. Want to call his mom. Okay. Till then, who else wants to say? Yeah, he's come back. Okay, Arnav, please say now. Who's calling me? Soumya? Let Arnav say first, then I'll come to you, okay? चलो अर्नब जल्दी से बोलो, टाइम खत्म हो गया है. Yes, Arnav, say over the hills and oh little ducks. Yes, oh little ducks. Arnav, I can't hear your voice. Volume is very, very less. I can't hear you. You're not audible.
Out one day.
Arnav.
The only 3 little ducks came back.
Yes. Okay, very good. Yes.
Oh, far away. Mommy duck said, back.
Yes, Arnab, see. Okay, Arnab, till where have you reached? हो गया? Okay, very good, Arnab, very good. Everyone clap for Arnab also. Very nice, Arnab, very good. Okay, now kids, whoever is left, Navya is left, and Soumya is left, Sarvesh, and who else? Let me say the names. Pramiti is left. Okay, all of you, you have to tell me the rhyme, and Asha, all have to tell me the rhyme tomorrow. Prepare your rhyme tomorrow. Okay, जिन्होंने बोल दिए वो वापस से नहीं बोलेंगे. They will not say it again. Only the ones who will say. Soumya, tomorrow now. Okay, I will ask you tomorrow. It's already 3 o'clock. We'll end the day today. ठीक है ना? अभी आप घर जाके खेलो. घर पर ही हो, पर खेलो. फिर मैं कल आपसे पूछती हूँ. Okay, Soumya? ठीक है? Okay, Soumya? Good girl, Soumya. Very nice. Okay.